Diwali Special Part 2 Kuih or Peanut Filled Biscuits. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my simple cooking channel. As I have said in my previous video, I'll continue with my biscuits recipe. This biscuit is in the shape of leaves, and after baking I'll be dusting it with powdered sugar. I am not using oven, only pressure cooker on the stove. Here we have 250 grams plain flour, 1 cup powdered sugar, half a cup mixed with the flour, half a cup keep first. Butter, around 100 or more than 100 grams of butter needed for this recipe. Half a cup powdered groundnuts, 1 egg beaten, milk, quarter cup milk, green coloring mixed with the milk to give a leaf color. Mix well. Now mix the sugar and the flour evenly. Add the beaten egg to it. Mix well. Add the green coloring. If you have liquid color, will be better. I forgot to mention cloves. We need a few cloves to give a pattern of a leaf. Butter mixed together with the flour to form a dough. Mix well. Use more butter. After the dough, you skip aside first. Grease a tray with the butter paper. Make small balls and keep aside first. At this length. Then press it in the center. Fill it with the powdered peanuts. Press it and cover it like a shape of a leaf. The clove is stick to it. Now it looks like a leaf. Use a fork to make the stems so they look exactly like a leaf. Again, one more time. Okay, now fill it with peanuts, powdered peanuts. Press it inwardly and cover it. It will automatically like shape of a leaf. I'm not using oven, friends. I'm using pressure cooker to make this biscuit. Use a fork to split it. Then poke it with a clove. Okay. Place it on the tray. Continue doing all. Okay, this is how it looks like. I have around 44 or 45 biscuits. Can you see now? It looks, after the slitting, it looks like a leaf. Okay. I have 2 trays here. Okay, I am using a pressure cooker. Heat up the pressure cooker and place it inside a pressure cooker like this. Once the pressure cooker is really heat up, slow down the fire. Cover it. You have to cover the pressure cooker so that it will cook. It might be taking around 10 to 15 minutes. Now it is cooked, as you can see. So I'm dusting it with powdered sugar. That's it. A very simple and easy biscuit, but the molding of the biscuit will take some time. Be patient and you will have a beautiful biscuit. You can keep this for 3 to 1 month in an airtight container. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoy seeing my video. It is already powdered. It is very delicious. Thank you for watching my channel. I'll see you again with a different recipe. Bye. Take care.